Alright guys, hopefully you can help me here. I have my Core A8 printer finally running to a degree, but I'm having a problem with the auto bed leveling. It's just running through now. Basically I've got it running on 25 points. Then it comes to the front here, does a purge line and then goes to the middle. Purge line comes out fine, it's a nice squish on it, but then once it moves to the centre to do the actual print, for some reason it's like 0.2 millimeters higher than what it should be. I'll show you in a second. I should start this video a bit later. Let me give you a quick overview of the printer while it's doing this. You can see down here I've got a GT 2560 from GTEx running TMC 2100 drivers, MOSFET for the heat bed, fan controller for those 3 fans there since it's enclosed here, power supply, power switch, USB panel mount that runs round into here so I can connect it to the back. We've got 500mm lead screws, Titan extruder, clone Titan extruder, and then I've got Ethernet breakout cables here with DuPont connectors for the head. They're running down the side here, down and then in here and then breakout down here. That's pretty much it. So yeah, it works. So I managed to get this vase of it today, and then for some reason it went completely doolally and missed the load and started going backwards and forwards and not extruding. I did that. I did this wavy bowl yesterday, that come out not too bad, but again I had bad adhesion on the bottom. This one had bad adhesion on the bottom as well. Oh, here we go, last point just done. So here it comes to do its purge line. I don't know if you can see. Bring it around a bit. See, it does quite a nice purge line, nice and stuck. But then it does this in the centre of the bed. So it makes this nice purge line, nice and flat, nice and stuck to the bed. And then yeah, it does this underneath here. Focus. Yeah, it just all gums up, doesn't even stick to the bed. So I'm hoping that you guys can let me know in the comments of any reasons it would be like that. I've got my Z offset set. I'll show you. To control motion. My Z offset is set to 1672, and that's basically what the purge line is using. But yeah, it just doesn't seem, it does the purge line quite nicely, and then for some reason it just completely dips in the middle. It just causes one massive amount of mess. I don't know whether it's the leveling or what, but hopefully you guys know. So yeah, please let me know in the comments section down below, and I'll see you once I get this printing consistently and I can do a proper overview of what I've done on this. But anyway, thanks for watching, let me know, bye.